Join me as I take on the challenge of uncovering the ancient secrets of Machu Picchu. Let's see what hidden treasures we can find. Machu Picchu is one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world, and for good reason. Its majestic stone structures, nestled in the Andes Mountains of Peru, are a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the Incan civilization. As one of the most visited tourist destinations in South America, Machu Picchu continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. One of the most fascinating aspects of Machu Picchu is the numerous challenges that historians and archaeologists face in understanding its true purpose and history. Despite being discovered over a century ago, the site remains shrouded in mystery, with many questions still unanswered. For starters, there are no written records of Machu Picchu from the time of the Incas, leaving archaeologists to rely on oral traditions and indirect evidence to piece together its past. Another challenge is the sheer scale of the site, with over 150 buildings spread across more than 30,000 square feet. This has led to a multitude of theories about its function, from a ceremonial center to an administrative hub, or even a simple rural outpost. The lack of artifacts and written records has forced archaeologists to get creative with their methods, using everything from architectural analysis to soil samples to shed light on Machu Picchu's history. Furthermore, the site's remote location and harsh climate have taken a toll on the preservation of its structures, making it difficult to accurately date the different phases of construction. This has led to lingering debates among scholars about the site's chronology and the extent of Spanish influence on its architecture. Despite these challenges, researchers continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, using cutting-edge techniques to uncover new insights into this ancient wonder. In recent years, advances in technology have enabled archaeologists to re-examine old theories and propose new ones. For instance, some researchers have suggested that Machu Picchu was built as a sort of spiritual laboratory where the Incas could study the movements of celestial bodies and align their architecture with astronomical events. Machu Picchu's architecture is a marvel in its own right, with its precision-cut stonework and sophisticated irrigation systems. The site's most famous feature, the Intihuatana stone, is a prime example of the Incas' advanced understanding of astronomy. This ancient sundial is said to have been used to measure the passage of time and the movements of the stars, and its construction is a testament to the ingenuity of the Incas. The site's connection to Incan culture is also a topic of much debate, with some arguing that it was built as a retreat for the Inca emperor, Pachacuti, while others propose that it was a sacred site for the worship of the gods. Whatever its original purpose, Machu Picchu remains an enduring symbol of Incan ingenuity and creativity, a testament to the power of human imagination and perseverance. One of the most captivating insights into Machu Picchu's secrets is the recent discovery of a hidden underground tunnel system beneath the site. This network of tunnels and passageways is believed to have been used for ceremonial purposes, and its discovery has shed new light on the spiritual significance of Machu Picchu to the Incas. In addition to this discovery, researchers have also found evidence of sophisticated astronomical alignments at the site, including the alignment of certain buildings with the rising and setting of celestial bodies. These findings have further solidified Machu Picchu's reputation as one of the most enigmatic and fascinating archaeological sites in the world. Machu Picchu continues to fascinate researchers and travelers alike, and its enduring mysteries ensure that it will remain a topic of discussion and speculation for years to come. Whether you're an archaeology buff, a history enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of human creativity, Machu Picchu is a destination that is sure to captivate and inspire. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the ancient secrets of Machu Picchu. If you have any thoughts on this incredible site, be sure to share them with me in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on ancient civilizations and mysteries of the past. Until next time, stay curious.